This is little Gloria enjoying her treat bone. When I ask my son to see if she has any treat aggression. Ooh, look at that tail wagging. No aggression at all.
This guy's tail wagging.
Yeah, that's Gloria. Okay, can you pick up her treat? It's next to her to see if she gets angry. No, that's good. Gloria, and this is Gabby here. Look at that, they're sharing the treat, no aggression at all. That's really great. All three of them are really good temperament puppies. It's the first night they're in our house. See how relaxed they are. Sleeping with my son and just playing, but not overly crazy, not very loud. Look at that, how cute. You each have a dog bone? That's great. That's good, they could share. Good doggy. Wesley, come touch both of them for mommy. Just touch. Let them enjoy their treat, but just touch. Wow, that's awesome. Good.
Oh,
What?
I can feel their bones.
Yeah? Well, we gotta let them eat more. They're very healthy, but we can let them eat more, okay?
Okay.
So they can be very strong puppies.